Good afternoon, students. Let us continue with our exercise 7.4. Yesterday I shared question number 1 and question number 6. So today the remaining questions, that is number 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we will wind up this topic today, that is congruency of triangles. So here is question number 2 of exercise 7.4. The figure is given to you. Somewhere AB is extended to P, AC is extended to Q, such that your PBC is less than that of QCB. This PCB and this is QCB, the relationship. Suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So it is given that angle 1 is less than that of angle 2. What you need to prove is, AC is greater than that of AB. So this is AC, this side, and AB in triangle ABC. So suppose I am marking this angle as 3 and this 4. So AC I need to prove greater than that of AB. So opposite to AC the angle is 3 and opposite to AB the angle is 4. So the side opposite to the greater angle will be the greater side. So that means 3 I need to prove is greater than that of angle 4. Then I will be in position to say that AC is greater than that of AB, because the angle opposite to AC is 3 and angle opposite to AB is 4. So let us start. Now what is the clue available with us to start with the answer? As it is given that 1 is less than 2, on behalf of this I need to prove 3 is greater than that of 4. So first of all we need to keep a watch here what relationship I can establish between these angles. So in my proof, if you will start, I hope all of you are very clear, is equal to 180 degree. Keep it number 1, and that is a linear pair I am getting. Similarly, between 2 and 4 also I am getting somewhere is 180 degree. Again the reason is linear pair axiom. Now if you see, first and second both are equal to 180. So on behalf of Euclid's axiom, can I say that angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 4? Of course, yes, from 1 and 2. Now, it is given that 1 is less than that of 2. So, if 1 is less than that of 2, and to make these equations equal, definitely 3 will be greater than that of 4, which I need to prove. But sometimes it becomes very difficult to make you people understand. So, you be practical. Whatever is given to you, that is 1 is less than 2. I know that the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. Suppose I am taking angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. Suppose I am taking 180, angle 7 is equal, angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. So 1 is less than that of 2. So that means 2 somewhere greater, suppose I am taking is equal to 80 degree. Why? Because 1 is less than that of 2. I am putting in that way. You can assume any of the angle in comparison of 1 and 2, but the condition you have to fulfill is 1 should be less than that of angle 2. So if 1 is 70, so 2 is 80. You can put any of the degrees. Then you need to compare angle 3. So you have to make the sum is equal to what? 1 plus 3, 180. Then 70 plus 110 will make it 180, and here I need what? 100 degree. Now you compare these two on behalf of this 1 and 2. If 1 is less than that of 2, it is 100% clear that 3 will always be greater than that of 4. So I have just mentioned this step to make you people understand how directly we can come on behalf of this relation with this information that angle 3 is greater than that of angle 4. So now you go back to the triangle where 3 and 4 are the part. 3 is greater than 4. So side opposite to 3 is what? AC. So therefore your AC and side opposite to 4 is what? AB is greater than that of side AB, which you need to prove. So hence proved. So be practical in these questions and see the key idea that I shared with you yesterday. The side opposite to the greater angle is always the greater side, and that I am using only with other utilities like LP I have used in this question. So that was the solution for your question number 2. Now let us go to question number 3. The third question is, again the figure is given to you, that is, this is the figure given to you. Here it is A, here it is B, here it is O, here it is C, and then it is D here. These are the angles in comparison. It is given that angle B is less than that of A. Given angle B is less than that of angle A, and your angle C also less than that of angle D. This is given to you, and what you want to prove is AD is less than that of BC. AD is less than that of BC. Okay, let us come back. Don't forget the key idea what I have to use here, that is the side opposite to the greater angle, and I need to follow the information what is given to me. Suppose here it is, I am picking the triangle AOB first. Fine. Where B is less than that of A. If B is less than that of A, so that means side opposite to B is what? AO. So angle B is less than that of angle A. This is given. So this implies what? Side opposite to B, because B is less than that of A, so that is AO, will be less than that of what? Side opposite to A. What is that? That is BO. Am I clear to you? If B is less than that of A, so side opposite to B is AO in triangle AOB, and side opposite to A, so that means A is greater, so side BO will be greater than that of AO. Give it number 1. Now study the next triangle. That is what? In triangle COD. What is there? C is less than that of D. C is less than that of D. Angle C is less than that of angle D. What does this implies? Opposite to C, there it is OD. OD is less than that of which angle? D. And opposite to D, what is the side in triangle OCD? OC. OC. Take it number 2. On behalf of this, I have written AO is less than that of BO, because side opposite to the greater is greater and side opposite to the lesser will be lesser. Similarly here OD is less than that of OC. Now you need to prove what? AD. Look at this AD. So AD is divided in 2 parts, that is somewhere AO and OD. And you see AO I have got here, OD also I have got here. So you add 1 and 2. Finally, add 1 and 2. So AO plus OD together will be less than that of what? BO plus OC, which will take you to the final result. AO plus OD is AD and BO plus OC will be BC. Hence proved. So your AD will be less than that of BC, which you need to prove. So again, simple application. I need to focus my attention that the key idea I have to follow here, the side opposite to the greater angle is the greater side. So pick the triangles as per the information given to you and then apply that result. You definitely will be getting the final result what you need to prove is. So that's all about your question number 3. Now come to question number 4. Question 4 is, AB and CD respectively are the smallest and longest side of a quadrilateral. So AB and CD. This is your AB, this is your CD, and this is the quadrilateral given to you. AB is the smallest side given. AB is the smallest. CD is the largest side. Is the largest side. On behalf of this, I have to prove angle A is greater than that of angle C, that is this angle is greater than that of angle C, and angle B is, this is C and this is D. So angle A and angle C, these are the angles here, and angle B also I need to prove is greater than that of angle D, that is the whole angle B is greater than that of angle D. Fine. Again, these properties I need to apply to a triangle first. So what you can do in your construction, you join at least AC and divide these angles 1, 2, this is 3 and 4 suppose. So first I will compare angle A with angle C, and then in the same manner we can join B with D to follow or to prove that angle B is greater than that of angle D. So out of 2 I will be proving 1. Suppose I am giving you the proof of how to prove angle A is greater than that of angle C. Keep a watch what is given to me. So I am picking this here in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, it is given that AB is the smallest side. So AB is the smallest side. So comparative to that, BC is greater as well as my AC is greater with respect to your AB, because AB is the smallest side. Sorry, with respect to BC only, because the AC is not the part of your quadrilateral. These sides are given of the quadrilateral to you only. So I need to compare only AB and BC. No need to think about AC. But I need the whole angle A and whole angle C. That's why I have joined A with C to study this triangle first. Now A is greater than that of C. So do you agree with me that 3 is greater than that of angle 1? Because this is the smallest side. This is the smallest side. So opposite to this smallest side, angle 3 definitely will be less than that of angle 1. BC is greater than that of AB. Why? Because AB is less than that of BC, as AB is the smallest side. So if I will compare AB with BC, so definitely AB will be less than that of BC. And opposite to AB, angle is 3. Opposite to BC, angle is 1. So if I will compare these angles, angle 3 will be less than that of angle 1. So this is all about this triangle. Now in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, this is your greatest side. CD is the largest side, longest side, CD is there. So angle opposite to CD is what? 2. So 2 will be greater than that of 4. And AD is less than that of CD. AD is less than that of CD. Why? Because CD is the greatest side. CD is the greatest side. It is given to you. So if I am studying this triangle and I compare AD and CD, so definitely my AD will be less than that of CD. So if AD is less than that of CD, so opposite to AD, the angle is 4. So that means angle 4 will be less than that of opposite to C. Here the angle is 2. Angle 4 is less than that of angle 2. Now, if this is number 1 and this is number 2, again you add 1 and 2. If you add 1 and 2, this becomes 3 plus 4 in relationship less than with respect to angle 1 plus angle 2. You can keep these inside the brackets. 3 plus 4 now you can see is angle C. So angle C whole is less than that of 1 plus 2, that is your angle A. So angle C, if is less than that of angle A, that takes me direct to this. Hence angle A is greater than that of angle C, which I need to prove. So in the same manner, if you will be joining B with D, then you will be able to prove. You give these numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 and study these triangles B, C, D as well your A, D, B to prove this. Or sometime No need to write. That depends upon the weightage. If question is only in 2 marks, so you just can wind it up. Similarly, we can prove angle B is greater than that of angle D. The same manner you have to follow. Get the two equations, add those to find B is greater than that of D. So that's all about your question number 4. Another question is there, that is your number 5. Figure is given to you. P, Q, R and S. So here PR is greater than, this is given. PR is greater than that of PQ. PS bisects. So 1, 2, PS bisects angle QPR. That is angle 1. I am saying here angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. To prove PSR, this is PSR. PSR, suppose I am marking here angle 3. That is angle 3 is greater than that of angle PSQ. So this is here PSQ. So this is angle 4 is greater than that of angle 4. This I have to prove. Now in proof, I have angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and on that part I need to prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So if this angle PSR is greater than that of angle PSQ, I have to prove 3 is greater than that of 4. Suppose I am taking this is 5 and this is 6. Now what do you think? If you need 3 is greater than that of 4, side opposite to 3 is PR and side opposite to 4 is greater, that is PQ. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 5, is it or not? Exterior sum angle property. By exterior sum angle property. In which triangle? In triangle PQS. If you apply the exterior sum angle property, somewhere you will be reaching at this result. And your angle 4 is equal to what? Angle 2 plus angle 6. Angle 2 plus angle 6. This is in which triangle? PSR. In triangle PSR, again exterior sum angle property I am applying here. Also given that PR is greater than that of PQ. PR is greater than that of Q. It is given PR is greater than that of PQ. So angle opposite to PR is what? Angle 5. Definitely will be greater than that of angle 6, because opposite to PQ in triangle PQR angle 6 is there. Now, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Please keep a watch upon this. Here you are saying 3 is equal to 1 plus 5. So give it number 1, give it number 2, and this you can club, take it number 3, and study these 3 cases now. 1, 2 and 3. 1 is this one. This is number 1. This is number 2. And this is number 3. Can you reach finally that on behalf of this information, what I am studying in number 1, 2 and 3, I will be able to write angle 3 is greater than that of angle 4? Here you see why 1 is equal to 2. 1 is equal to 2. Suppose 3 is equal to what? Suppose 3 is equal to, here it is 70 degree. Suppose I am saying 3 is equal to 70 degree. Then what is 4 is equal to? Now 1 is equal to 2. So if here it is 30, so here it is also equal to 30. So then 5 will make it 70 degree. So 6, definitely you are saying 5 is less than that of 6. 5 is less than that of 6. So 6 will be greater here. So then you can compare the two, which will take you to the result. On behalf of 5 and 6, 3 will always be greater than that of angle 4. Hence proved. So that is the solution for your question number 5. So please make a note of all these solutions. That is all about your congruency of triangles. Tomorrow, one assignment small I will add to your knowledge from the same topic, and then I will let you know which topic we are going to start tomorrow. Thank you.